Characteristics of self-actualizer person. Firstly, demonstration of an efficient perception of reality and acceptance. Secondly, acceptance themselves and others. Thirdly, high degree of spontaneity and simplicity. Next, problem-centered orientation. Then privacy and detachment. Then autonomous and independent of the environment. Then appreciation of basic goods of life with continued freshness and pleasure. Then they at times show mysticism. Then identify with mankind. And next, development of deep interpersonal relations with others. Next, democratic in outlook. And then they keep means and ends distinguishable. And next, sense of humor. Then creative, and lastly, non-conformist. Thank you.